Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do the tutorial for this 3D jar with this Easel card. So before the tutorial, I want to update with the Amazon. Yeah, I got many questions about when the last releases will be available in our Amazon store. Now we have a problem. Yeah, that we sent those goodies in the end of April, and they have arrived at the Amazon fulfillment center. They have been delivered on May the 7th, but because there are so many goodies that are stuck in that fulfillment center, so the Amazon just need more time to have all those goodies, to accept those goodies, and then have them be able to sell on the be able to buy on the website. So it takes some time. Sometimes it's very fast, only take 10 days from our shipping, and then they are available to purchase in the Amazon. But sometimes it's so slow, and we just can't control that time, because it ships fast from China to the fulfillment center, but we just can't control when the Amazon fulfillment center will accept those goodies, and then will have them online be able to purchase. So that time is what we can't control, and we have those messages to the Amazon, but we only get the answer of waiting, because there are so many goodies there and they can't control it also. So we have to wait. So I feel so much sorry for this, because I want to have those goodies, I want to have those goodies to be able to sell as soon as possible, so you can get them faster than ordering from AliExpress. But just things not work like what we want to. So I think that's the problem. Yeah, so I just hope they will accept those goodies soon, and so you will be able to buy them on Amazon. So fingers crossed. So hope they will be able to sell soon. So back to this tutorial. Yeah, so this is the box that I made. So you have pretty big room for you to send goodies inside, and then you have your card here. And then let me show you the die set I have cut out those pieces out. So this is the set, and I cut this one time, so just take these frames out, and this is the layering piece to decorate your card, and take these frames out. So I cut this piece as the base to make the Easel card, and then I cut this piece to make the to make the bottom of the box. So I'm cut this one time, also cut this layering piece, and then I cut this part and this part both 2 times, and also you have these 2 layering pieces. So 2 times and 2 times, and then cut this piece 2 times to make the top and the bottom. And so yeah, here are the two pieces, and then cut this part 3 times. So hope you are all clear of the of this die set, and then that can start doing the tutorial. So let's first make this our inner drawer, which needs this part and these 4 parts. So first I will layer this piece here. So then add the layering piece here, this part, because this part you need to fold inside to make the inner drawer more stronger. Also for this part you need to glue it at this side. So this inside part also to make the drawer more stronger. Then we have the tape glue here. So it's fold like this. Sorry, it's fold like this side. See, it's like this. And then you also need to glue this inside. Sorry, I just forgot, but you need to glue this inside, so when you have these two here, both sides will glue to the flap. And then you use this part. So this one with 2 flaps and this one with no flap. So you need to use this one. And then this one with flap. And just put it inside. See, like this. So this inner box is ready, and that do this part to make this outer box. So I have cut this layering piece on top. So for the bottom I just left it in black color. And then add grooves on both sides. So this drawer part is also ready. So you can make drawers like this and stack them together to make other drawers. Also, you can make it with easel cut about, so both way is okay. So you can use this die set not only to make one drawer with this easel cut, you can also make several drawers. And let's make this easel card. So you also need to fold this one in half also. So this is the only extra step you need to do, is that you need to fold this piece half. And then stick this part here. And then add a glue in this part. So glue it here. And now this card base is ready, and you can put flowers or other things that put here. So make this easel card pop up. So it's like something like this, and then you can decorate your card base. So it's like this, and then you can also have a button here to make the drawer. So this is the whole tutorial. If you have anything that you don't understand, just leave me a message or just leave me in the comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. And yeah, I just remember one thing, that we are having a sale from May the 17th to May the 20th. So if you want to order something, you can catch the chance to save you some money. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.